Alright, keto enthusiasts, let's dive into the world of vegetarian keto recipes that are both delicious and nutritious. Today, I'm going to share some recipes that will keep your taste buds satisfied and your body in ketosis. First up, we have the avocado spinach smoothie. This creamy delight is packed with healthy fats and fiber, making it the perfect breakfast or post-workout snack. Just blend together one ripe avocado, a handful of fresh spinach, unsweetened almond milk, and a pinch of stevia for sweetness. It's quick, easy, and incredibly satisfying. Next, let's talk about zucchini noodles with pesto sauce. Spiralize a couple of zucchinis to create your noodles. For the pesto, blend fresh basil, pine nuts, garlic, nutritional yeast, olive oil, and a bit of salt. Toss the noodles in the pesto and you've got a refreshing, low-carb meal that's perfect for lunch or dinner. Now for a hearty option, try the cauliflower mac and cheese. Steam a head of cauliflower until tender. In a separate pan, melt some butter, then stir in cream cheese, heavy cream, and shredded cheddar until smooth. Pour this cheesy goodness over your cauliflower, bake until bubbly, and enjoy a comforting, guilt-free meal. Don't forget about snacks. Kale chips are a crunchy, savory option that's easy to make. Simply toss kale leaves with olive oil and salt, then bake at a low temperature until crispy. They're perfect for those midday munchies or as a side dish. Last but not least, dessert. Try the chocolate avocado mousse. Blend together ripe avocados, unsweetened cocoa powder, a dash of vanilla extract, and your favorite keto-friendly sweetener. Chill it for a couple of hours, and you've got a rich, decadent dessert that satisfies your chocolate cravings without kicking you out of ketosis. These recipes are not just easy and delicious, but they also keep you on track with your keto lifestyle. Remember, the key to success on the keto diet is variety and enjoyment. So go ahead and give these vegetarian options a try. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe with us. Click the link below to get started and learn more. Happy cooking and stay keto friendly.